Broccoli cheddar cheese. Look at this. Soup. And this is loaded baked potato. It's so fresh. Wow.
Are you
And
vodka?
no. And this one is chicken and secure sausage gumbo. Look at this gumbo, guys. Yummy. At the HEB. HEB Manbel chicken dumpling. Chicken dumpling. And noodle soup. So noodle soup. Thank you for watching.